Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. It's already 8 o'clock in the evening. And at this moment, I'm going to take my dinner. Manihapon sa ako. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Of course, ang ako ang food since dinner, medyo heavy meal siya. I have rice and I have chicken grill. This is my rice. This one. This is my chicken grill. Chicken grill. Ang ako ang chicken grill, I bought this from my suki, Z Brothers. Lami ilahang produkto. Ang Z Brother, located siya sa Sandawa Road. Doon lang siya sa Central 911, sa Sandawa Road Highway. Makita niyo dayon. Lami ilahang quality. Kita na ko pag-usab. This one. Kini nga chicken grill, whole chicken ni siya, pero dili ko na siya mahurot. Basig huna-unaon ninyo sa akong mga viewers, mahurot ko ni kaon. Duha lang ka slice ako makaon. Di ko pala bigkaon kay bisig high blood kog samot. Thank you everyone. Thank you to all my friends, followers, subscribers. Thank you for the likes and shares. Thank you for always following me. God bless everyone.